such a night owl. Ooh, we some night owls.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today's video I'm focusing on just the upstairs of my house. Last video was the downstairs. I'm starting by sorting the laundry. I'm not gonna do any of this laundry. I'm just sorting it to make it look neater. It looks sloppy because it's so unorganized. It's overflowing in some of the bags, and I'm just putting everybody's clothes in their own, and then from there I'm gonna clean the hallway. I will be washing those rugs, and then I'm gonna do each room, all the rooms except the playroom. I'm not gonna mess with the playroom today. It's not that dirty. They have a couple of toys out that they're probably gonna play with again later, so I'm just gonna leave those. And yeah, so from there I will clean the rooms and probably mop the hallway and get that together. I can't tell you the last time I mopped up here, so it's probably bad. But yeah, so let's just get started.
Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it.
Okay, so I don't know if everyone has Ollie's where they live, but they have good deals on stuff. This is like one of my favorite laundry detergents, the Gain Essential Oil one, and it's like $15-16 for that same size bottle at Target, and I got it for $3.99 at Ollie's. So I got a couple, and then I also got this fabric softener Gain for $3.99 also at Ollie's. So if you know what Ollie's is and you have one in your area, you should definitely check out like their laundry detergent section and stuff. They have really good deals. Yeah, you can't beat that because it's like $15 in Target for the same size bottle. Yeah, I just had to tell you guys that because I was excited and I bought like 4 bottles. So yeah.
That's when I realized I can't live without you. I got nothing left to lose. Oh, I want you and only you. So I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer. I want you and only you. To be honest, I'm not good at letting down my guard, but I really want it. Before you, I was running in the dark. was goodbye. That's when I realized I can't live without you. I got nothing left to lose. Oh, I want you and only you. So I'll keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer. I want you and only you.
Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold. Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. a motel a mile down the road. Finally can stand, back then still looking for dry land. Jump on my back, I'll take you home. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Love you. Love you. Always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die. Love you. Wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Always got you. Push it to the side, even if it means that I die.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Slow down, sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Yeah, I'm really being honest. I want this to last. Said you wanted honest. I'm giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that. Yeah, slow down, sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go.
Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do is clean the hallway floor. I'm using this citrus steam mop. It's just like you add it to the water. It kind of gives it a nice little scent. That's pretty much it, I think. But yeah, so I'm just gonna mop the floor and get that together, and that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. My cat has been trying me this whole video. He has been in the way. But yeah, so anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.